I'm making more than $400 every single week simply by trading this really easy strategy. And no, I'm not selling you anything. I don't have a course. I don't have a private group. It's completely free to do so. And I'll show you guys exactly how you can use this really easy strategy to make money just like me. So the only two things you're going to need is going to be a TradingView account, which is completely free to use, completely free to sign up. And all you need is a Bybit account. So in order to sign up for a Bybit account, make sure to go to the first link in the description. Why use my link to sign up for a Bybit account, and why do we need Bybit? Well, first of all, Bybit is an exchange where we're going to trade with leverage. Leverage is where you can actually leverage up your money in order to trade with more money so we can get higher gains. I will explain everything in just a few seconds, but it's really important to use Bybit because Bybit has the lowest fees. And we're going to trade using a lot of orders. We're going to place a lot of trades. So it's really important to have the lowest fees on the market. It's really important to use an exchange that has the lowest fees on the market. So what we need is a low fee exchange. And Bybit is the perfect example for it. You're only getting charged like 10-20 cents a trade. And if you're making a lot of trades, then 10-20 cents is not that much. And it's basically one of the lowest out there of all the other crypto exchanges out there. So sign up for a Bybit account using the first link in the description, and if you do so, you will get actually up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses if you use my link. So make sure to sign up for a Bybit account and then deposit some money into your Bybit account because we're going to trade, and then you can simply claim your deposit reward. And then once you did so, we can now actually explain this strategy. So how does this strategy work? Well, first of all, what you need is you need two things. Like I said, a Bybit account and a TradingView account. A TradingView account is also going to be needed. It's completely free, and here you can check all the charts for Bitcoin, for example. So how does this strategy work? Well, we're going to use leverage here on Bybit, and we can actually see that I'm currently in a position when I'm making this video, just as an example. For example, we saw that Bitcoin was trading here at this level. I opened this position. It went almost to my take profit, currently just consolidating, basically almost in the profits again. So how am I making all this money like I showed in the first example, first part of this video? Well, I'm making all this money simply by scalp trading. If you don't know what scalp trading means you're going to buy or basically long or short a cryptocurrency. For example, Bitcoin, we're going to long or short this on a really a low time frame. For example, here on the 1 hour chart, we have this consolidation phase. I'll show you guys exactly how this works. We're simply going to draw two lines here at this consolidation phase. A consolidation phase can actually be identified simply by when the price just trades in the same trend over and over again. A consolidation phase always has a resistance line and a support line. A support and resistance line can really easily be found where the price just keeps getting supported off, and a resistance line is where the price keeps getting rejected off. For example, here, this is a really good, example of a really good trade. So we're currently at this consolidation phase, and we saw that Bitcoin was actually trading up into this resistance line. And what you're going to do once Bitcoin trades into this resistance line, you're simply going to enter here into a short position. If the price trades into a resistance line, you're going short. And if it trades into a support line, you're going long. That's the part of the strategy. And the best part is that this is really easy to do. All you want to do is you want to wait for the price to get into your resistance area. You want to add your stop loss, which you can really easily do by simply going here to this menu in TradingView, entering a short position. And this will not add your stop loss, but it will calculate your stop loss for you. For example, you want to place your stop loss just above the wicks in case your resistance line gets broken, because sometimes consolidation phases can be broken, of course. It can't always stay in the same range. So what we're simply going to do is we're going to place a short position once it trades into this green line, and we're going to put our take profit just around this support line because the price is most likely to bounce from it. And we can see that this is happening in real time. This is when I'm making this is happening. We can see consolidation phase, and if you, for example, shorted here and the price went to this level, you immediately got stopped out for a really good profit because your take profit got hit. So if you have your take profit right here, and you just did what I'm explaining to you guys right now, then you could have made around, we can see about a 50%, 0.50% move down. 0.50%, that's not that much, right? It's not. But if you use, for example, leverage, like I showed you guys on Bybit, you can use leverage, 10x leverage, 20x leverage, I advise. Sometimes if you have lower margin, you can use a little bit more leverage. But for example, you use 20x leverage, then that 50%, that 0.50% gain now becomes a 10% gain, which is really significant, because if you take 10 of those trades a day, then you have 100% in a single day. And this is all I do to make my money. It's legit so easy, and I don't understand why more people are doing this. Like I showed you guys in the first part of this video, I have not gotten a single losing trade in the past 7 days. They have all been in a green trade. It's so easy, and I'm not even sending you all anything. It's completely for free. I'm just spitting this offer for you completely for free. It's so easy. So you might think, well, this is just an example. This is just a coincidence, and this doesn't happen rarely. Well, let's just go to another consolidation phase then. Here we have one. Just about 3 days ago, we had this massive consolidation phase. All we do is we go around here at the low position. We go here in the short position and take our profit. It's so easy. You just wait for the price to get back down again, and we close our position for a profit, and we immediately go long. And we can see the price went here again, and we go short. We close our position, we make money again. We're short here. We wait for the price to come down to this level again, take profit, we're making money again. And then we can see the price comes to this level again, we're going long, and then we can see that the price finally breaks out of this consolidation phase. However, we already went long here, we did take profits right here, but yeah, this is really, really easy to do. It's so easy to do, and this happens like every single day on the chart. This is legit. This is 5 days ago. For example, here 5 days ago, we can see that the price was trading into this consolidation phase again. We can see whenever it started consolidating here, we can see you want to open a short position here, long position here, short here, long here, and you want to long, you're taking profits here, broke out. This is let it because you still made profits. And you might think, well, this is a 1 hour chart, so I can only take a few trades a day maximum. Well, this also happens on the 5-minute chart. It's so insane how easy it is. I don't understand why not that many people are talking about this. But for example, here on the 5-minute chart, we're getting here into resistance. We're trading into resistance. You want to go short. Here we're trading into support. You want to go long. Trading into resistance, long, short. And you're not making that much money here because it's only at around 10-20% move. But 20%, that's still 4 or 5% of your money. And since we're using Bybit, you're basically not getting a charge for any fees. So all the profits you make, for example, 5% on $100, that's still $5. 5% on $1,000, that's still $50. It's so easy. And this happens every single hour, basically, on the 5-minute chart. Here, we go short here, take profit, long here, short here, take profit. And we can see we're already short, take profit got hit. So we're already out of the position and it went down further. We could have made more money, but we're already out. And now we wait for the next consolidation phase. And we can do the same thing right here. You wait, the price bounces here. You don't want to take a trade here because you don't know where it goes to. And we can see the price goes to this level. You want to go long. You can see, I didn't draw a green line here, don't know why, but we can see, here take profit, we get resisted. We go down again, we wait, it gets to the line again, we take our profit, and that's it. It's so easy to do this, and this can be done on a 5-minute chart. This happens every single day, and I don't understand why more people are talking about this, but I hope I just gave you some useful information you can use in your own trading, because this is absolutely insane how easy this is. So yeah, that being said, this was the video. Please consider using my link to sign up for a Bybit account. It really helps me out. You get $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and it's exchange with the lowest fees out there to trade. So if you want to use this strategy, make sure you use the first link in the description to sign up for a Bybit account. That being said, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like, subscribe, share it to your friends. And yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next Bitcoin or crypto video.